All right, we have just pulled back in, and we have the Simplicity hooked to a new engine I'm hoping to unload. Busy week. Busy week, busy week. So there she is. Nice screen cooled International. So I'm going to try and set you up and see if I can get it unloaded without wrecking anything. Alright, sorry about that. So we didn't kill ourselves. We're not positioned inside. It is obviously been raining. It has been one long weekend. The weekend started with that, and it just kind of went from there. So, larger enclosed trailer. First screen cooled International. And it is dirty, but doesn't look bad. I'm fine with dirty, and I am fine with not running. So we will spray it down with some oil, get it soaking. And see how it does. So, alright, thanks for watching. Updates on it soon. Pretty cool looking little battery box. Alright, I'll be back with you as soon as I get time to start working on it and figure it out. I'll pick you back up. Thanks for watching. Take care.